Hybrid cloud solutions suit many different cases, but let's face it, integrating public and private clouds can be overwhelming. IT teams often struggle with complexity, rising costs, and keeping everything agile while managing multiple systems. Sound familiar? What if you could get the flexibility of a hybrid cloud without the headaches? Enter Scale Computing Platform, bringing the simplicity of Hyper-Converged Infrastructure (HCI) to your hybrid cloud strategy. Scale Computing Platform offers high availability, scalability, and a self-healing system that runs seamlessly across your data center or at the edge where your data is created. With Scale Computing Platform, your IT team can control costs, scale resources up or down to fit your needs, simplify management, create and migrate VMs quickly with ease, stay resilient, enjoy built-in disaster recovery to minimize downtime. Whether it's Google Anthos, Azure Arc, or OpenShift, Scale Computing Platform supports the tools you already trust for Docker, Kubernetes, and more. It's time to rethink hybrid cloud. Ditch the complexity and embrace simplicity. Discover how Scale Computing can help you build a hybrid cloud strategy that works smarter, not harder. Visit scalecomputing.com/hybrid cloud infrastructure solutions and contact us today to get started.